All right, today is the day. So we finally completed our USV camper. This is my Mercedes Benz GL 450, and since I was not using it, as I told you guys before, so I turned this into a camper. Today we are here in Fort DeSoto Park, Largo, Florida. And this is a beautiful place. It's a beautiful camping park, so I just wanted to first try in a proper camping park instead of just going into wilderness and just trying out there and getting into disaster. So I said, okay, I'm gonna try it here. I got electric hookup here, water hookup there, but when it comes to this thing, I got it right. I think I have enough room for 2 people. I got my fan fix here. I don't know if you can see it, if you can get closer. This guy right here. This is my fan working. So we're gonna sleep in this tonight, and we will let you know that how it goes in the morning. I don't know, but just to be safe, because I did not know what to do. As you can see on this side, I got a 2 people dome camp as well. So if that is not comfortable, I'm gonna get into this. My wife is with me. Also, we bought this kayak. This is an inflatable kayak. So we will test it out. I just inflated it, so we're gonna find out that how it's gonna work. I got my camping stuff set up, this canopy, and then if my wife can show you this area. So this thing was costing me around over $200. But I said, no, I'll be a cheap guy. I'm not gonna do it. So I bought this for $2.99 from Harbor Freights. These, I think $30 each, about $35 total. So that's the whole thing. For mosquitoes at the night, not buying any net or anything, just a regular cheap mesh and a magnetic tape right here. This will work. This will prevent us from mosquitoes. We can sit here. If you be careful back there. If you can come from this side, Misha. My whole camping site look like. My car, I got a canopy. I had a backup canopy there, a tent, a kayak. So I got water back there. I can put my kayak into the water right here. But the main thing that I was just trying to tell you is how does this thing works. Cheap stuff. You got your shade. And I think this whole thing cost me, including the inside mattress, whatever, everything, about $180. I think you can't beat that. Again, to the camper. So what I decide is to have a mattress. Not inflatable mattress, but the proper mattress. Reason is my wife and I, we both hate inflatable mattress. You cannot have comfortable sleep, and I cannot compromise on that. That is something that I can't do. So we got a proper mattress. It's a 48-inch custom size mattress that fits into this. As you see, I got a lot of stuff underneath it. Good headroom. I think we will have a comfortable sleep here. Now getting into, hey my neighbors, hello. All this stuff. This is pretty nice. I got some lights here, guys. I'm gonna show you my kayak. This is, I bought this from Amazon, by the way, $100 even. For all this stuff, I can put a link down below so you guys can see it. I just inflated it. I don't think this is properly done yet, but it's just that, And right here, we're gonna put this in, mangroves, trees. We're gonna tie it up right here, or we're gonna just put it out. That's it. This is the setup. This is backup, and that is the actual thing, because I was trying to get into places where I don't have anything. So if I have to sleep in the car, I can sleep in the car. I have my shades done. So I will let you know in the morning how was our night. It's pretty overcast, clouds, but it's looking nice right now. It was getting horrible in the beginning, but right now it's okay. All right, I'll see you guys in the morning, or maybe I'll show you a few things at the night.